Hello everyone, and welcome back to CoCo Finance, your go-to channel for all things finance and cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of Bitcoin, the digital currency that has revolutionized the financial landscape. Bitcoin is a unique form of digital currency that operates independently of any central bank. This decentralized nature is one of its main attractions. Bitcoin transactions occur directly between users on a peer-to-peer network, eliminating the need for an intermediary. These transactions are verified by network nodes through a process known as cryptography, and once verified, they're recorded in a public distributed ledger known as a blockchain. As of July 24, 2023, the value of one Bitcoin is approximately $29,077.29 in US dollars. However, it's important to note that Bitcoin's value can be highly volatile, changing rapidly in a very short time. Over the past year, the value of Bitcoin has fluctuated between a low of $16,014.52 and a high of $31,202.76, with an average value of $23,162.05. This high volatility is a characteristic of many cryptocurrencies, making investing in Bitcoin potentially high risk but also high reward. Despite this, Bitcoin has become a popular investment and is increasingly being accepted as a form of payment by businesses and merchants. Bitcoin can also be converted into various other currencies and cryptocurrencies. For example, one Bitcoin is equivalent to approximately 209,017.31 Chinese yuan, 26,242.63 euros, or 15.77 ethers, among others. For the most accurate and up-to-date information on Bitcoin, it's recommended to check a reliable financial news source or cryptocurrency exchange. As always, remember to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That's all for today's video on Bitcoin. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to CoCo Finance for more insightful content on finance and cryptocurrency. Until next time, stay financially savvy.